steering wheel on most of your Nissans. Everything's right where it's easy to learn and feel with your thumbs. Volume control up and down for your stereo. This will move the track forward, backwards. You can go back with your source there. Cruise control. Resume or set. You can cancel. This will also tell you how far the distance is between the car that it'll allow you to go. This is your Bluetooth features. You can make a phone call or answer your call here. Horn right there. Now, right here is your setting for your display, which is going to show up in your dashboard. When you move it to the left or the right, you'll see these icons on the bottom. The first one is home. You can scroll to speed, or it'll also show your average miles per hour, your radio station, and in some models it'll show your gas mileage. When you scroll over, you have your fuel economy on this model. You can hold the OK button to reset. Tire pressure and other information will show up while you're driving. This is your radio station. Whatever your audio source is, it will show up there and show what's going on. Here are your driver assistance settings. It shows your forward collision is on, your blind spot's on, and your lane departure's on. Other models have more safety features, so you'll be able to access them here as well. When you go to the VDC setting, you can click on it, turn it on or off by using the OK button. Hit the back button, and it brings you to the settings, driver assistance. This is where you can turn your lane departure on. This is where you can also control blind spot, emergency brake settings, speed limit sign designation, parking aids, rear cross traffic alert, driver attention, low temperature, and your timer alert. When you go back to settings, you can also do your eco mode, your tire pressure monitoring settings, your clock settings, your vehicle settings, maintenance settings. You can customize the display, change your units, and also do a factory reset. And all that's going to be by using these 4 buttons on the outside and the 1 button in the middle.